Hey everybody, this is Tambeyoda, and today I have from Jada Toys, in their 132nd Hollywood Rides line, Deadpool's Taco Truck. So this is the white version of the taco truck. There is a white and a black version. I just decided to get just one, and we would focus on this. So this is a white taco truck. We'll take a look at the box here. You can see Deadpool hanging out on the side right here. The taco truck right there. And for some odd reason, it says 14 plus. I don't know if it's because of there's so much die cast in it. That it becomes a hazard for throwing. I don't know. That's the only thing I can think of. These are all the different sides of this thing. Here's the bottom. Here's the top. I don't know. So let's go over some fun facts about Deadpool here. So Deadpool's real name is Wade Winston Wilson. He was created by Rob Liefeld and Fabian Nicieza. With his first appearance in the New Mutants, 98, published in February 1991, he was initially depicted as a supervillain. He is a disfigured mercenary with a superhuman accelerated heal factor and the ability to break the fourth wall. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this guy open so we can check out that taco truck. And here's the Deadpool taco truck out of the box. So this is a traditional taco truck now. Oh, he has windows here, but no windows on the doors here or here. You do have some glass here, some glass here, or plastic, I guess. You got some rubber tires down here. See how well he rolls. Oh, he rolls really well. I would assume that a car would roll really well, but I'm just used to Transformers where they don't always roll. So I'm having fun with these guys. Taco truck on the other side. Here's the back of it. Now this little piece does come up, and you can see the inside. You can see the grill and the bar and stuff. Oh, there's actually a refrigerator in here too. That's cool. And a refrigerator. Now you got the driver's seat in there also, and it loves fingerprints. So weird thing that I found on here is the menu. So the menu, it says tacos, but it has burritos and chimichangas X'd out. I always thought that Deadpool loved chimichangas. I don't know, did something change? Does Deadpool only like tacos now? I thought chimichangas were his main man. Oh well, but yeah, it rides well. It rides well. I'm sure my son's gonna love playing with this thing. He's not 14, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. But large amount of die cast in here. It's not as heavy as some die cast figures are, but I can definitely feel it in the weight. All right. Well, hopefully you enjoyed this review. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, please think about subscribing. This is Tambeyoda, and I'll see you guys next time.